What you learned today?
A lot of things about mathematics and how it's like found in everywhere, like in different places.
No, they were beautiful and it was very relaxing to do it.
I learned that mathematics can be used in art also. And
About the similarities between art and mathematics, definitely, and also the Nazca lines were really interesting. I personally love it because I want to be a teacher, and so it's really nice to see like new ways to show young people the beauty of mathematics.